With the new breakthrough innovation cup cutting technology, Istanbul Pack is one of the leading packaging companies in Istanbul, Turkey. This is Queen Winfred. Looking at how packaging adds value to different products, especially in food and beverage processing, joining us today on the market code is the sales prominent person from Istanbul in Turkey, Mr. Nesip. Mr. Nesip, thank you very much for your time. How are you doing today? Let us bridge Africa to your business.
Doing great, actually. Hello from Istanbul. And I would like to take this opportunity to thank you for having me and allowing me to introduce you to the services and products that Istanbul Pack has to offer. Istanbul Pack is a Turkish company based in Istanbul that specializes in manufacturing, repair and maintenance of form fill seal production lines. We have been working with all over the world, actually. This is all I can tell you as a brief introduction of our company.
Production capacity of your machines per day. Can you please take us through?
It is better to explain it this way. Each machine is individually designed to meet potential customers' requirements with regard to pack design, output, and efficient use of resources. That's why we can only give range of capacities of our machines starting from 8,000 cups per hour up to 46,000 cups per hour. Depends on the cup shape, depends on the how many molds on the machine. That's why we can give only capacity range instead of specific capacity.
How have the Africans responded towards your products in terms of purchase and quality? And where so far have you sold in Africa?
Actually, our company is well established mainly in the Middle East with technical and sales support offices located in Turkey. We have been servicing over 200 form fill seal machines. When it comes to African continent, actually, maybe it is our mistake not to promote our machinery in Africa. We haven't attended exhibitions or find an agent in Africa. But even though we didn't spend time for African continent, as a reference, some of our existing clients in Africa are Libya and Nigeria. And we would like to have one cup machine in Uganda also.
Mr. Nesip, for sure Africa is the future. Why are you late for marketing?
Actually, Istanbul, in terms of geographical location, close to Middle East. That's why we concentrated on the nearby countries and continents. But our immediate plan is to increase our presence in Africa continent with our products and services soon.
Do you consider having any dealers in Africa, for instance in Uganda?
Sure, we would like to negotiate with someone, but it is not easy. At first, we prefer to go through any company on project by project basis until both sides are convinced to establish a solid and long-term representation agreement in Uganda.
All right, just for a second, let us look at what Mr. Nesip deals in.
What has made the package cost savings by Istanbul Pack an amazing success story? Founder and CEO of Istanbul Pack, Nesip Ayvali, puts it in 3 simple words: obsess over customers. Istanbul Pack has focused on the greatest possible savings in terms of packaging material consumption through accurate studies for years, finally coming up with a unique, superior new generation thermoform fill seal packaging machine. This high-end machine and its cutting-edge cup cutting technology offers the most advantageous package cost savings. Thermoforming packaging machine for water or portion packs, because they experience value-driven chain. All the operator has to do is press the green button to repeatedly transfer the bottom film until the web is at the end of the preheated station. Then, the operator starts receiving well-formed cups. Product quality can be measured if the bottom film wrinkles, which can happen with conventional machines. With Istanbul Pack, however, the bottom foil is held by the servo motion chain from the sides of the film on our new generation machine. So the film never wrinkles towards the center. After adjustment is needed only one time with our new generation cups machine. Because the servo-driven chain system, repeat length always stays the same. The operator places the motif properly and seals the top foil to the bottom foil one time at manual position during machine startup, without the film being wasted.
We would want to know what
Yes.
is the price of your product.
Price, as I told you before, price is based on the capacity required on the machine. That's why we can only state the price range starting from $75,000 up to $500,000, all based on the capacity required by the potential customer. This affects the machine length. That's why we can only give price range.
Okay, Mr. Nesip says he can only give price range for his products. Mr. Nesip, looking at quality, what is the unique feature about your products in line with the bigger brands in the market?
Actually, as Istanbul Pack, we spent our last 10 years cooperating with European form fill seal machine manufacturers. Therefore, our unique feature is we have been implementing European technology in Turkey on our machines. That's why we are the only company manufacturing the European technology on their machine in Turkey. This means quality of our machine is so close to European technology and quality. This is what I can say easily.
Talking about the European technology, how do you deliver those machines and your products to Africa? For instance, in Uganda.
When we deliver our machines, we send our technicians for commissioning of the machine, startup of the machine in customer's place, let's say Uganda. Then we place the machine in customer's factory, make all necessary electrical and pneumatic connections. Then we test machine in front of customer and train their operators by spending 10 or 15 days at customer premise. Customer operator will be able to run their machine by themselves. This is how the system works.
In case of any liabilities, what are the insurance policies just in case something goes wrong in the logistic?
Actually, this is a nice question, but you should know that mode of transport we use is X-Works at Istanbul Pack premises. This means we make an initial quotation for the sale of goods without any costs included. That's why buyer is responsible for bringing the goods to their final destination. We just load the goods on collecting vehicles at our Istanbul Pack platform.
When you have a moment and you're craving for uniqueness, you want a partner that takes time to prepare what will make you more happy. A partner with a secret ingredient. A partner that does it with passion. A creative partner that affectionately customizes your surprise. This partner is Nana Cakes, bringing you spice oven products into your happy moments. Find Nana Cakes at .NET Hub, Salama Road, Kabuma Stage, next to Chirudu Hospital, or call them on 0758 93 24 71 or 0775 283 651. Nana Cakes, a partner in your happy moments.
All right, it is the market code at DBS Studios, Bridging to Business. We are here with Mr. Nesip and we are profiling Istanbul Pack. Now, Mr. Nesip, I would personally want to know, have you made any recent study about your target market?
Actually, my background is also sales and marketing. We separate each country and evaluate each country with its specific needs for the packaging machines. This is how we direct ourselves and promote our machineries all over the world.
Now, what is the guarantee for value for money, just in case someone acquired one of the machines?
As I mentioned, Istanbul Pack has made its mark on a first in the form fill seal packaging machine with European technologies in Turkey. And being the only company exports this high quality equipment to its customers with the full technical support of its European partners. We still keep cooperating with European partners, and the value for money of our machine, it is like, buying high priced European machines, but with lower price from Turkey.
Talking about technical support, how do you do the support, yet you're that far?
Last couple of years, we have been installing remote control, integrated modem. So we connect machines through without visiting the customer country. We connect machine by modem, and we check and fix the problem if it is related with programming. If it is mechanical problem, we spot the, we diagnose the problem in mechanical side and inform customer what to check and what to do on the machine without traveling.
Now, Mr. Nesip, how does one access your raw materials?
Actually, we are machine manufacturer. For the plastic material suppliers, there are many manufacturers all over the world. We only provide plastic material specification to the customer so they can buy directly from the plastic material suppliers. Sure, if they need help from us, we can provide them also the contact details of plastic material suppliers.
Yeah, thank you very much, Mr. Nesip, for your time. Now, before we close, can you please give us the final remarks and how someone can reach you just in case they want to do business?
Actually, it was a real pleasure to be part of your Market Code show today. Anyone, if there are any matters that require our assistance, anyone can feel free to contact us by visiting our website. So they can reach us, through our website, or they can call us.
Okay,
Thank you for having me for this show.
All right, thank you very much for being with us. You can reach Istanbul Park through their website, and see you next time.
Thank you.